Hi everyone, I welcome you back to this course Complete Python Bootcamp for Data Science. So far we have seen how to install the Python and the Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. We have seen the interface of Jupyter Notebook and also see how we can simply print a hello world within the Jupyter Notebook. So now I will make you go through the original Python IDE, how it looks like, though we will not be using as it's not a user friendly or the GUI is nearly bad. So we will use Jupyter Notebooks for our entire course, but I will show you one. So you can simply type IDLE and you can see this Python ID coming. So once you click on it, it will open the app and you can see how it looks like. See, so this is your Python shell and like Python is running, you can see Python 3.8.6. And if you you can see like same you want to try the very first function that is called the hello world, you can just simply type print round brackets. And yeah, see, if I clicked on the opening bracket, it doesn't automatically fill the other closing bracket. In Jupyter Notebooks, we have that facility. So I have opened the quotes and I type hello world exclamation mark. Okay, so I will close the braces and then I will close the bracket. And now if I press enter, you can see the hello world printed on here. So you have seen the Python shell as well as the Jupyter notebooks, and due to lack of these features, which is the automatic opening and closing of brackets, quotes, is missing in the original Python shell.